Hi, today's topic is traditional fungal food, sake, which is actually a Japanese health drink. The process was suggested by Kodama and Yoku in 1977. Sake brewing was well established in Japan and became a traditional drink somewhere in 5th century AD. Since then, several refinements have been done from time to time. The main ingredient of this particular drink is rice. Rice is first milled. After milling, it is polished, and after polishing, the polished rice along with rice bran. Rice bran is actually a byproduct of this process. The polished rice is then washed thoroughly. Then after adding water, it is steeped. Steeping is done. Then steaming is done. And after steaming, actually, it is cooled down to a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. It is kept open for some time and it is cooled down up to 35 degrees Celsius. Then it is divided into two parts, rice koji and seed mash. The rice koji is actually made by mixing spores of Aspergillus oryzae, and Aspergillus oryzae is mixed with the half part of steamed rice to form rice koji. This part is actually meant for degrading starch into sugary moieties, that is saccharization of starch material, and half part is inoculated with the sake yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, to get seed mash, or what we generally call moto. Now these two parts are mixed together thoroughly to form main mash, or what we call moromi. Some water is also added for getting good consistency, and this is actually kept for fermentation for next 3 weeks, that is 21 to 24 days, to carry out the fermentation. During fermentation, actually the rice koji serves the purpose of degrading rice starch into glucose, and this glucose is in turn fermented into alcohol by sake yeast or Saccharomyces. After that, it is actually filtered, and it actually forms a fresh cake. This fresh cake is separated by filtering, and the sake cake is separated from the fresh cake, and it is kept for sedimentation. And after sedimentation, the settling is done, and after settling, it is filtered and pasteurized to form sake and to separate sediments. Now this sake will be stored now or bottled for marketing purpose. This is how the sake process takes place. Now there are few points to be remembered. In Japan, sake preparation is based on fermentation of non-glutinous rice, whereas elsewhere in the world or in Asia it is made from glutinous rice. So that is what is first point to be remembered. Koji is used for saccharification, and saccharification and fermentation occurs at the same time. Sake has the highest amino acid content of the alcoholic drinks. Amino acids come from the enzymatic digestion of rice proteins by the mold enzymes. So that is what is the advantage of drink sake over all other alcohol drinks or alcohol beverages. For this particular topic I referred Wikipedia and textbook of biotechnology by R.C. Dubey. Thank you so much for patient listening.